And welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a tutorial on a 5-minute quick 5-minute makeup. I don't know what I'm going to name it yet, but yeah, something on those lines. So I thought I'll do one such tutorial for you guys because lately the looks that I've been doing have been mostly on the glam side, and nobody has so much of time on a daily basis, or nobody prefers to do glam looks on a daily basis, obviously because of the lack of time, especially if you're a busy person, you have to be somewhere and you have to do your makeup and you want to do it like fast. So this makeup tutorial will definitely help you. So yeah, without wasting any further time and without talking so much, let's get into the video. So I've already moisturized my face, guys. Especially it's really important. I always moisturize and prime my face. There is no shortcut for this. So I'm just gonna rub it between my fingers and then just lay it across my face. One cool trick, guys, if you are like have to wake up early in the morning and you need to put on some makeup, make sure you wash your face with a really cold water. What that helps is like it really wakes you up. Like the cold water, when it hits your face, is like bam, you just wake up and then you're like wide awake and then you're not sleepy or drowsy anymore. That's what I do when I wake up early and have to wear makeup. So yeah, so I've primed my face. Next we are going to move directly into the foundation. I know in my foundation routine I did like powder first and then the foundation, but if you are really in a hurry and you have to be somewhere, nobody's got time for that. So I'm just gonna take the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation and I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and then buff it in. Also, I'm using a brush to buff in my foundation, guys, because the sponge, if you are using a makeup sponge or a beauty sponge, it is going to take more time and nobody has got time for that. So yeah, and brush is like quicker as well. Yeah, so yeah guys, so I've just buffed in my foundation and I put on some concealer as well. Now if you're somebody who feels that applying concealer for you is not really that important, you can just get away with it, just skip that step and you're good to go. But for me especially, I do have a lot of dark circles and a lot of pigmentation in that area, so I want a concealer. And I'm so sorry that part again did not record. Oh, I've got to get a new camera. So anyways, I've applied the concealer and applied the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in the shade C10, and then I usually in my high points of my face and I quickly buffed it in. And next I'm going to use the MAC Next to Nothing Pressed Powder. I'm in the shade Medium Plus. Because we are in a hurry and this is just a 5-minute sort of makeup tutorial, I'm not going to bake my face, obviously, because that's going to take a lot of time, and I'm not going to use any loose powder as well because that's literally going to get everywhere. So I'm just using a pressed powder and I'm just going to coat my fluffy brush. This is the powder, normal powder brush, and then I'm going to put this all over my face. Also, my eyelids do tend to crease, so what I do is I just run my fingers over it, like just like that, just once, and then I set it with powder quickly before there are any creases in there to go. So next, this step, guys, for me it's important. I do need to do this step. Not necessary that you should do this step, but I do prefer using a bronzer on my face because it gives you that quick like sort of like shadow on your face and it looks good. It sculpts your face, it warms up your face, and it's like really important for me. But you can skip this step by all means. We are not going to like bronze up our nose and everything, guys, because obviously not, because we don't have the time. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly bronze up my skin very lightly. Not gonna do any blush, nothing. Now moving on to your eyebrows, guys. I do have sort of thick eyebrows, but I usually shape them out. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just because I'm in a hurry and I do not have time to sit here and carve out my eyebrows, I'm just gonna very lightly just fill in my eyebrows. You'll see me doing this, so yeah, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna. And obviously when you're going for a 5-minute sort of a look and you have only 5 minutes, I mean if you have only 5 minutes to do your makeup look, you're not going to do anything glam, so you just need to lightly fill in your eyebrows. That's it. Next, guys, I'm going to move on to the mascara. Mascara is really important because it helps you look wide awake and it doesn't look like your eyes are droopy or something is missing. Trust me, guys, once you put on the mascara, it makes a world of difference on your face. So I'm just gonna quickly, I'm not gonna do like 3 coats or 4 coats, just 1 coat. because obviously I'm in a hurry, so I'm not gonna sit here and like do like 3-4 coats. Yeah, so I've applied my mascara and that's it. Now the next step, guys, again, you don't have to do this, you can just completely get away without doing this, but I do need highlight when I do my face because I feel it looks good and I love highlighting. So I'm just going to use a highlighter. You don't have to use a highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, by the way. And also did I mention everything that I used? So next I'm just gonna use the highlighter. So lastly, guys, we are going to move on to the lips. Now for lips, guys, the trick that I can give you is always have a lipstick as well as mascara, in fact, in your purse. Doing this will be really helpful, guys, because somebody like me, I always tend to forget applying my mascara, or like it's too late and I have to rush out of the door and I forget my mascara. So what I do is, because this is the last step that we do, obviously, so what I do is I always have a mascara as well as a lipstick in my purse, because even though like I'm out of the door and I'm in my car or a cab or something, I can just quickly apply mascara and my lipstick, and then yeah, so I do that. So maybe that will help you as well. So I would always recommend having a mascara as well as a lipstick in your purse. So anyways, for the purposes of this video, I'm obviously not going to go into a car and apply all of this. So I'm just using the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. This is a matte lip gloss and this is in the shade 08, the Big Chill. So this is a new one actually, I've never used this before. So I'm just gonna, ooh, smells good. So I'm just gonna apply this. This is like almost like a daily wear sort of liquid lipstick. And I know this is nude. I think I'm going to fall in love with the nude color, guys. So that's it, guys. This is the finished look. This Essence matte long lasting lip gloss is like really good, and it is so comfortable. It is so pigmented. I mean, I just had to do one swipe. I did not have to layer on layer. So I'm impressed with this. Anyways, so yeah, guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. This like literally took me like really fast. It would have taken me this look would have been finished a lot faster if I wasn't talking so much and explaining the steps as I was doing it. But yeah, guys, this is the finished look. I mean, this is like really helpful, guys. Whenever you're in a hurry, you have to get out of the door, just do this and you're like, it looks good. You look fresh, you look good, you do not look tired or anything like that, and that's the power of makeup. So yeah, guys, and also I did not line my lips because who has got the time for that, right? So I did not line my lips. I just applied a liquid lipstick and that's it. I did not overline on my lips and nothing like that, just filled in my lips. So yeah, guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what you thought of this video and what sort of videos you would like to see next. I know I do seem like I'm in a hurry because my clothes are in the washing machine and I have to take them out. And we are moving soon, so a lot of things are going on. So yeah, guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe bell right there, subscribe button and the notification bell right there. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Boo boo happened.